Hey guys, well, I'll tell you what, it's nice to be out of the shop. We have our first installation successfully completed, and we are here. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the town. I think it's called Cannon, Connecticut, and we left early this morning, got this one done. Now we're going to head to New Hampshire to see if we can get that one started today at least. We'll see what happens. Ooh, there's a wild hare on that thatch right there. Hey, guess who's back in town? Scott. Hey Scott, what happened with that palm up there?
Huh?
What happened with that palm up there? Is there any way we can get that down? Get it to lay down a little bit? All right, so we're gonna fix that one wild palm there real quick. Scott, you know what? You could probably just get up on that and just push it down.
Go sit on it.
Yeah. You go sit on it?
Yeah, you'll slide down the raptor tree.
All right, well, before Scott goes up there then, this is a 6x4 custom red cedar tiki bar. We got 5 bar stools. And who made the bar? Let's see. Yeah. And who's behind the broom over there? That's Big Kahuna. All right, so this one just has a couple outlets and a cabinet in the back. Let me see if I can do that. There we go. So we got cabinets in the back and a 4x6 thatched roof. So this install went pretty smooth, not too bad. Took a little longer. We had to take a truck route up here. We couldn't go a regular route because of the box truck and the trailer, but I'm in Scott's way. Sorry, Scott. All right, trash is being picked up. Oh, Bob, I have your phone.
Okay.
All right, so that will be it for Cannon, Connecticut. Let's go see what Julie's doing real quick, because she's part of the crew too. Let me pick this bucket up first though. Whoop. All right, maybe not. All righty, there we go. Okay, now we can go out here. Take another, there we go. Scott's fixing the roof now. All right, just one little palm sticking up. Push that back down. But we got that bar right through there. Opening was 1.5 inches too small, but we made it work. We got it through. Some ingenuity. Did we go up and over? Nope. Went right through. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Everything's in the truck. Everything's in the truck. There's Julie taking care of the pickup truck. I'm gonna put that there. We'll put Bob's phone right there. What you doing, Jules?
On the table, Kev.
You can just leave it right there. I'll strap it right down.
All right, I didn't know if you wanted that for the ladder.
Nope, the ladder can go right on top. Dollies, I think, are in the box truck.
They are.
Right? All right. So I'll put the straps back on this. There should be 4 of them.
Yes.
All right, I'll strap that back down. Here, turn this over. There we go. There we go. All right. So we're going to be pulling out of here in about 10 minutes. And back to New Hampshire. Julie.
It's here. That's where you had it.
Oh, where's the other one then?
It's in here.
Oh, it's back there. I walked right past it. Okay. All right. Oh, Scott has it. There we go. He was fixing the roof with it. All right, that'll go right in the trailer, Scott. Or we'll lay down in the back of the truck?
You want to just put it in here?
Yeah. That'll make things a little easier. All right, guys. From Cannon, Connecticut and the Tiki Kev crew. Tiki Kev out. All right, guys. Well, we made it to Nashua. Hey, Julie, how long did it take us to get here? 4 hours?
4.5 hours.
4.5 hours from Connecticut install this morning. So we're here in Nashua. How do you pronounce it? Nashua, New Hampshire. We just got the bar down, and it's getting a little dusky, but we're going to try and get the roof together tonight and save some time tomorrow. And maybe if we get done early enough, we can get out of here and back. So I'm going to be splicing. I learned how to make a movie out of all my videos, so I'm going to be splicing all this together. So Scott's ready. I'm going to jump in. We're going to put the frame together, and everything's going to stay here tonight. And Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Everything's gonna stay here tonight. We're gonna get a hotel somewhere, and everybody get cleaned up and go to dinner, or we just take, you know, what do you call it? An Irish shower, Mexican shower, whatever it is. Just spray some smelly good stuff on you.
Right.
Right. And then go get something to eat, because I know everybody's hungry. I know I'm hungry. I know Bob's hungry.
No, that's going out to thousands of people, right?
Yeah, oh, well, absolutely. All right, so my next video, well, when I splice them together, it might seem like one, but for now, Tiki Kev out. All right, well, as I'm piecing all these videos together, I said I was going to wait until tomorrow for my next video, but no. We got the roof built and the bar. We're waiting for him to set those pavers over there. So everything we can do tonight, we got up here, we got the bar in, and we got the roof built. And it's still daylight. What time is it, Julie?
7:18.
7:18, just in the nick of time. So we're gonna all go find a hotel, find a restaurant. Bob, you hungry? Yeah, I know, me too. And we're gonna call it a day. So to recap today, we started off in Pennsylvania, went up to Connecticut, to Cannon, Connecticut, installed that 4x6 Tiki Bar. Then we drove to, how do you say this name?
Nashua,
Nashua,
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. We got the bar in, we got the roof on. And like I said, in the morning, he's going to fix these pavers, level them out so we can get the bar set in place. And then it's just a matter of putting our roof up. So that's it for today. All right. Until the next piece together video, Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, it's Sunday morning. We are back. We got the bar set in place. We got the roof on, and we're ready to go. So Scott and I are going to jump up, and we're going to start thatching. I'm going to help Scott get the first row done, and then he'll jump up there and finish it while we do everything else. All right, so that's about it for this morning. It was nice and sunny. It's cloudy out now, but we got to move the trucks, get the trailer up here with all the palms in it, do the old switcheroo. All right, here comes Scott now.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, that's what my camera said. All right, until the next segment, Tiki Kev out. Guys, well, here we are. We just finished up in Nassau, New Hampshire. It's starting to rain, and we just got done. They just got cleaned up, and we are heading home. So we got an 8x6x5 bar. There's a refrigerator in it with a 10x8 roof. Nikki, you happy?
Amazing.
You and Costello are happy. Abbott and Costello. Yep.
We're happy.
Hers was actually the last job I did right before I got sick. I got sick when I came home, a day after I came home from that. So, all right, well, we're going to be heading home. Show you guys, I don't even know who built this. Let's see. Is that another, that's another Tiki Kev bar, isn't it? Yeah. I built it, that's right. Look at that face. All right, see if I can squeeze back here. And if anybody's asking, no, the children do not come with a bar. All right, what do we have? I know, is that going to be your seat?
Yeah.
We got a fridge there. Let me zoom out. There we go. Fridge there. Hey, what?
Why you have the roof?
Say that again?
Why you have the roof?
Well, the roof, it keeps the water out.
Why?
Why? Do you want to get wet? Okay, then it keeps the water out, right?
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Kaylin.
Kaylin, what's your name?
The Abbott.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. All right, there's Scott.
Hey, Daddy.
All right, guys. Well, it's raining. We're heading home.
Yeah.
Got to collect my last deposit, and we're out of here.
This is my house. And that's Hannah Abbott.
Hi.
Hello.
All right. Well,
Bye.
it's time to go. Yep, we're going to be leaving. I got to take some pictures, though.
Family?
What's that?
Are you guys family?
I have a family back home.
Are they family with you?
No, they're all friends. They all help me out. They all help me build this stuff. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get some pictures.